Look at I win, stupid.
Bro, Walter, stop! Stop! Bro, why are you guys' mic like so bad quality? Like, are you in Bikini
We're
Bottom?
really far away from our mics, so it's
Oh.
kind of hard to pick it up.
Dude, why'd you hang up?
I didn't!
Yes, you did. Why'd you hang up?
I did not, bro.
Okay. Oh, Avery's calling.
Of course.
Why'd you hang up?
I didn't hang up. I was recording, and then it randomly the call randomly stopped, and then yeah.
Okay.
Or is Avery in the server?
Alright, anyways,
Avery.
let's
Avery.
go in. Let's get in.
Avery.
Yes?
Are you in the server? Are you in the server?
No, we're making another account so I can play.
Why?
Another account?
What other account
Oh,
are you gonna
you had
make?
an account. What account did I friend then? His name. Oh, we're making an alt account.
Brother, what is this comment? Delete this.
Because he's going to play on the phone and I'm going to play on a console, but they share an account. What if instead of 3.14159?
Hello, brother. Hello, brother. Fuck you, brother. What is this comment? Delete this. Bro is running out of ideas. Fuck you, brother.
Yeah.
You have the best ideas in the world.
Oh, it's right here.
What?
I found this for a little bit. Okay.
Guys, what do you think of brother?
Yeah.
Brother, what is this comment? Delete this.
Brother! A creeper! No! Don't worry, brother! I'll save you! That was peak right there.
Hello?
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 Hello? Hello?
Bruh.
Who's this?
Yo, Avery, you want fun?
Who said hello? Who did that?
Yo, that's Avery's gun.
Brother, what is his comment? Delete this. Okay, brother, next comment.
No! Why did you redeem it?
No,
Hello?
brother. No, brother's not Indian. He's from Austria.
Why did you redeem it?
No, brother is not from India. He's from Austria.
Is he also from Germany?
No, brother is from Austria.
Hello? German Austrian?
No,
Hello?
Austria.
Hello? German Austrian.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Yo, he sent you another friend request.
This kid at my school called me a terrorist because I'm Muslim.
Yeah, that's kind of racist.
Yeah, he also said the N word to my friend, and he called my friend who's autistic the R word.
That's like a bad word.
And he also said the N word.
That's a pretty bad word too.
Wait, Walter, did you leave?
Yeah, 'cause I needed to leave. I think. Alright, I sent a friend request.
Wait, hold up, Avery. Can you send me the friend request?
No, I can't. What's the friend request's name? Is it Hannah? What? Is it Hannah? Who's Hannah? I don't know, but that's my newest friend request from Hannah.
Skibbity toilet.
No. Hanny P. Oh, is it from Dam? What? No, it's from Y. Why? Yeah. Why? Why? What? Why? Y-A-N. P3N.
Stupid follower, delete this. Next comment. Brother, I will marry you. Fuck you, brother. I don't want to marry you.
Is it Yan Yan?
Next comment.
I have a Yan Yan. Yeah, that one. That one. Okay. Alright, I accepted it.
Alright, are we going to Animal Hospital now?
Yes. Yeah, we can play now.
Alright, fine.
Yo, why is your alt account a girl?
What?
Why is your alt account a girl?
Because he's trans, which I support.
Not a girl. Definitely not a girl.
Wait, you're trans?
That's not a girl, Walter.
Then how come it had a girl avatar?
Are
No.
you assuming your gender?
No, like when you make an avatar, there's two avatars you could choose from. The girl avatar and the boy avatar.
Here. How do I?
Alright, I'm going back into Animal Hospital.
No, it's it's YANPEN.
Yeah, I already funded it.
Oh
I
my
already
god,
friended it.
bro!
It's
It was-
Yanpen. Yanpen.
I thought you said it was Yan Yan.
No, Yanpen.
Can we just
That's
play
who's that
Animal
friend that
Hospital
was
now?
Yan
I
Yan?
am bored. We've already been 6 minutes into the call.
Wait,
Yanpen.
wait, YANPIN?
No.
What is it?
No, YANP3N.
P3N?
Yes.
Oh! Dude,
Yeah.
why did you have me friend Yan Yan?
Because I didn't know that was. So send that one.
Why did your microphone suddenly get worse?
Mr. Sandbag, bring me your beans, bum 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 bum.
Alright, Avery, you better join
Mr.
Animal
Sandbag,
Hospital.
bring me your beans, bum 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 bum. Take on the cutest I've seen. You could have gooned.
Oh, dude, I see you.
Alright, here, join.
Yo, you didn't accept it.
Avery, you should join.
21, 20, 19, 18,
Yo.
17, 16, 14,
Walter.
13, 12,
Walter.
11. Yeah, leave.
If you don't answer us, I'm about to wreck you.
What?
You can't say that.
That's a bad word.
It's being recorded.
It's illegalism.
Yeah, I have that recorded. I could get you canceled on Twitter, X, YouTube, TikTok, Kick,
You don't know his name.
Yeah, what's my
Everywhere
username?
except for Dr. Disrespect's Discord server.
Hey, what's my username on Discord, YouTube, TikTok, todo eso? What is it?
Yo, Avery, did you subscribe to here on YouTube?
Answer the question. What is my TikTok username?
Feeding this guy 24.
Huh?
Feeding this guy 24.
No.
Yeah, that's recorded. I can get you canceled.
Wait, it's not Penis Guy 24?
What? How could it be not that? You love that. You
How
love
is it not Penis Guy 24?
To hear. He was recording.
Yeah, I'm recording too.
Yeah, but we can get you canceled now.
For
No,
what?
you can't.
What am I getting canceled for?
I don't know. What am I getting canceled for?
I don't know.
What if we all just get canceled? What if we all cancel each other? And then we can't do anything else except for play video games all day.
It's like Triple T.
Tung, 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 tung.
What are you doing?
Ooh, we got trouble.
Oh, this is a kid.
Huh?
Is this a kid?
Poison, feeding me poison.
Dude, Avery, can you join Roblox?
Avery, if you don't get in the game, we're gonna start without you.
Are you I Love Cats 3628?
No.
Then why does she keep staring at us?
Are you the Epic Duck 27?
No.
Then who are you?
Are you Strawberry Kitty 4422?
Are you Strawberry Elephant?
Strawberry
No.
elephant, see.
Tum 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 tum. Sahur.
Bro, Triple T, he sacrificed himself to get rid of Sora AI. We should thank Triple T for what he has done.
Alright. Wait, frick, this is the wrong one. We go on this one.
No!
What do you want?
Tahir, come. Come.
Hold up.
Tahir, come.
I accidentally joined the.
Why did you leave?
I did.
You left. Hurry! It's about to start. Hurry, hurry. No, frick. Okay, leave.
Bro, leave.
No, that's us. That's
It
us.
won't let me leave.
That's us.
No, there's another guy in there.
No, that's us.
Dude, there's another guy in there.
No, that's us.
Wanna play Animal Hospital?
Wait, Avery's playing on 2 accounts?
No, my friend's in too.
Oh.
You idiot.
Hey, that's
Yo,
not very nice.
Why did you say that then?
I did multiple times.
Alright, I get the first copy.
Why are we all bunny rabbits?
Because none of us have any classes on. Because we're all playing on new accounts except for Tahir. and Tahir.
Oh shoot, let me do this. Hey. Hi, I'm Pumpkin Park. Oh.
Why wouldn't it let me close the flipping shutters?
Wait, guys, this photo looks weird. Guys, this photo looks weird.
To hear, I swear, if you close the shutters, I'm gonna crash out.
I'm gonna do it.
Who is humping?
Wait, she'll be at room 1. Wait, guys, she'll be at room 1.
Yo, guys, I got room 1. Why is it? Why? Why? Why is the open door button? Why? Poison, feed him. Guys, why are there 3 people?
Ouch.
Poison.
Why? Wait, guys, this photo looks weird.
Here, I'm gonna touch you. Here, you look. Who is jumping up and down on the bed when there's a patient right there? Stop stopping his face.
He's trying to put his log inside the hole.
Why is this guy ramming into the wall?
Guys, there's a patient going in room
What is
2.
going on in this freaking hospital? There's another patient, guys.
Who is this? I'm freezing in here. How do you give her a coat? Hey, there's a patient and she's freezing.
I'm freezing.
My butt is freezing.
Yo, what? What is... Here, what are you talking about?
How come every time I'm playing with you guys, I have to take a dump? Dude. The doctor, speaking of doctor.
Why is I am gay? And the freaking jumping up and down on the medical equipment that costs millions of dollars to buy. You're gonna break it.
Dude, this photo looks weird.
Somebody tell I am gay to stop breaking the medical equipment.
Hey, are you doing that
Where's
because he's
I
gay?
am gay?
Are you doing that because he's gay?
Where's I am gay?
I think he's right there.
I'm getting the next coffee, by the way.
No,
I get the next coffee.
No, I do.
No, I do.
No, I do.
Fine, you can have it. You can have it.
Dude, move! Move the clipboard!
Yo, I got the best!
I got the picture of
Close
me.
the flipping shutters!
Oh, the shutters.
Stop opening the freaking shutters, dude! You guys don't fucking stop. Unbelievable service, dude!
Dude, stop pumping the button. I know you have a fetish. Look, bro, I know you have a fetish or something, but like, stop. My name is Ron. I'm from accounting. My stomach hurts. Ah, my stomach! Link's mommy is one of the videos I saw on my YouTube recommended.
Can you send me the link?
Wait, guys, this photo looks weird.
Oh my god, here!
Alright, take your stuff and leave.
Why is there so much maple in this syrup?
Cause I put a lot of maple in that syrup.
How come we only collect syrup from maple trees? Why aren't we collecting syrup from oak and birch trees?
Hey, my name is Bella Loon. Loon. Why did I say Loon? It's Yoon. Yoon or Loon? Okay.
Why is I am gay sitting in the corner?
Who's what?
Wait, guys, this photo looks weird.
I am gay in the corner.
What's your name?
Why is I am gay not doing anything?
I'm telling you, get out.
Look, who is this? Guys, who is this on the chair? Who is this? Genuinely.
Can somebody tell I am gay to do something? I am gay to do something.
Dude, I swear I saw something right here.
I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop.
Bro.
Oh, look, somebody found you.
I'm about to quit, dude. I'm about to rage quit.
No, don't.
Watch TV like you have done.
Ah! Help! Guys, help!
Why is
Help!
there 10 HP from a freaking stalker? And why is there more coffee ready?
Guys, why was there a bed monster under the bed?
Why is I am gay on top of the vending machine? I am gay on top of the vending machine.
Wait, you're gay? Congratulations for coming out of the closet.
No, I am gay is on the top of the freaking vending machine. I'm not gay. I am gay is on the top of the closet machine. You suck.
Okay, what do you also need? Blue. She needs blue. She needs blue stuff in her butt.
Who freaking broke the stupid camera over here?
Alright, now what?
The doctor is coming! Guys, the doctor is coming!
Dude, he's coming everywhere. I swear, it's everywhere.
What the frick is wrong, dude? That's
How
not
is the
what
coffee
he's
not
doing.
ready yet? I'm on 47 sanity right now because of the stupid bed monster. By the way, why are these things happening in an animal hospital? This is like,
Because this is a veterinary clinic for animals.
but we're
And
also
I'm going to
also
buy the
animals.
stuff before I get cooked. The shop is open.
All right. I don't have nothing to buy.
I don't have enough, dude.
If you're broke, just say that.
We have the same amount of money, dude.
All right, where is that patient?
You're not patient at all.
I am patient.
Where's I am gay?
I think he's over there.
Okay. Why is I am gay in the closet?
We've been recording
Why is
for
this-
20
why is
minutes
this guy here?
already. Why? It's been 20 minutes already. All right, what? What do you want? Oh, hey, Louis.
here. They left the game.
What, they left?
Yeah,
Did they also
and
leave?
they're not in.
Did Avery leave the call?
Yeah,
What?
and they're not in the game anymore either.
Alright, so like you do the patience and I do this part.
How do I get rid of this photo? Oh, there it is. Poison, you feeding me poison. Nothing I can swallow, you down in the love in a bottle.
Alright, you better not violate any of the customers again. Like
Dude,
last
that's
time.
literally what I do best.
What? Still here?
I mean,
Huh. Still
no,
here?
that's not what I
Huh?
meant. I meant that's
Us guys
who I
got
do best.
eaten by the bed monster. Yeah,
meant
that
that's
was
who
me!
I do.
I got eaten by the bed monster!
Love in a bottle, love in a bottle, drinking the poison of love in a bottle.
Okay. Okay, you don't look different.
Alright, I got it.
Dude, who's that outside?
Check the window.
I did. Wait,
Do it again.
Walter, who is this on the chair? She's been sitting there for like the entire server. Look.
Give me the taser, I'll tase her.
No, don't tase her. She
I'll
bad
tase you.
though.
How many coffee do you have?
I think I had like 2 cups of coffee.
What's your sanity?
58.
Drink the freaking coffee, dude.
How do I drink?
With the trigger.
Wait, how come her eyes look different in this photo than what she looks like? Check.
Nothing. No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Her eyes are like Her eyes are like halfway closed, but when I'm looking at
Oh,
her,
you were right, Frick. You were right.
yeah.
Yeah, close your... Poison, you feel me poison. Nothing I can swallow is stopping the more swallow. Give me poison.
Hopefully there's no pedophiles in this. Hopefully, no one making this game is a pedophile.
They probably are. That's like
Right.
literally everybody.
Being small
Why
has
is
its
wrong?
advantage.
Freaking did big.
I met you before. Okay, I don't care. Let me take your order. Okay, double cheeseburger. It's a danger.
Ron, take my freaking maple syrup, dude.
All right. Okay. Oh, okay. You're good. You're good.
Yeah. Is the potatoes done?
Nice slither, I mean, in that.
Okay, she got
Alright,
room
see you
2.
back.
Walter, you take care of room 2.
Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go eat.
You gotta be kidding me. Wait, why can't you eat while playing?
Cause then I make mess.
Walter,
and
get the
everywhere.
taser. Walter, get the taser.
I can't. I need to eat. I'll be right back.
Walter, get the taser. There's an anomaly.
Okay, dude. Whatever. What the frick is that guy? There's no taser there anymore. What if we just ignore that guy?
Oh, we'll die of
Don't
hunger.
tell him to leave, otherwise you'll lose 20% sanity.
Do the camera. Oh. What?
You want to put the chicken on a plate? Or not?
I thought it was on the plate.
These forks.
Dude, Walter, we're terrible at this game.
Sheldon, yeah. Okay, that was really uncalled for. I think that feed's rated on that great.
Either way.
Like, it's sitting in the, I don't know how long it's gone. I didn't want to make it. That sandwich I made before.
Dude, I have no idea what I'm doing.
The fridge is what's faulty.
Walter, please. Walter, please.
Somebody's trying to attack me right now.
You had to take me down. She forgot was it lost. She didn't alone by herself. And she was when we lost. So they she lost it.
I'm sure you.
Forgot she had someplace to be.
You're my having a weapon.
What?
Jason up and sat on my room. He sat on the bed.
You get confident that that was not appropriate.
Okay, bandage. Where's the bandage? Alright, now what? Walter, you back? Walter, you back? Walter, Walter.
Yeah.
You back?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Dude, there's like 2 more patients.
Oh.
And I don't know what I'm doing. There's one in 7 and one somewhere else.
Oh, I found one. Look, you gotta do this, and then you gotta bada boom, and you do this. Look, and you.
How did you do
How
that?
the frick did I instantly do it? And you do this, and you take this up, and then Canadian stomach and. Fever.
Oh, she has
So you go
cancer.
here.
Okay, she
And
needs
you go.
honey and herbs.
No, I already have it. I have maple syrup, honey, and herbs.
Yeah,
So I got
honey.
that. I go here. And now we do that to the rest of the customers. Yep.
Where's the other patient?
Right
My
now, it's
phone is like heating up.
Today's high is
I'm heating up
a
too.
low of 71, but it feels like 107 out there.
Oh my god,
Tomorrow, there's a
107?
55% chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon.
What?
We need to get this guy some honey. We need to get the guy some honey. Do not give that guy honey. Do not give that guy honey.
Why? Why is the camera broken?
I don't know. You gotta fix it.
Oh, it's that simple. Bro, who is this? And she got grayer too. I swear she was like pink. She was pinker. Pinkerton.
I don't know if that's a word.
What? Death ritual.
Somebody started a death ritual, dude. Grab the fire extinguisher.
Wait, room 4. Okay, we're done. What do we do now? Right, now what?
Now we're good.
Okay. Wait, hold on. This game is like Five Nights at Freddy's. If you think about it.
No. Five Nights at Freddy's.
Oh, looky here. You're good.
I'm gonna touch that guy.
Hey, they should play Mommy ASMR in this game.
We should.
There is literally no patience here.
Poisson, you fitted me, poisson.
Dude, we took care of all the patients, okay? I will unlock the taser. Where's the taser?
Here, come here.
Where's the taser? Where's the taser? Oh.
It's right here, in the shop, right here. Look, taser. Why did you...
You told me to buy it!
I didn't tell you to buy it, I just told you it was in the shop. I already have it.
Yeah. We have 2.
No, but that...
Wait, there's a mustache guy.
Oh, give that guy... I'm gonna give that guy my coffee. Give that guy my coffee.
I can smell the Rule 34 people are gonna make of this guy.
It's already happened, dude.
Are you kidding
Too
me?
late. Now I'm gonna tase him to death.
No, don't tase him. Don't tase Alfredo.
That's Marlon, dude. What do you mean Alfredo?
No, the mustache guy.
Alfredo.
Oh, you want to go home? No, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you.
I'm gonna tase him.
Dude, who is this?
I tased that guy.
Hey, Corrito Taylor. Dude, SpongeBob SquarePants, Krusty Krab, Cash Register video review? Alright, you look different.
I tased that guy.
Okay, you don't look different. That's good. That's good. If you look different in your photo, but look the same, but look like that in real life, oh, you are not evil. You are actually evil person. You are evil, Ryu. Evil Ryu and Violent Ken. That's a Street Fighter reference.
Side effects may include, the frick is wrong with this dude?
Dude, it's Alfredo. Dude, it's Alfredo. I mean, Barney. Another cup of coffee. We
Side
don't
effects
have
may include
coffee.
itchiness of-
We don't have coffee.
Side effects. Okay, there's coffee about to be done in 18 seconds. Just grab
What?
it, drink it twice.
But what if he dies?
Grab the coffee, drink it twice, and then give it to him.
Okay, you take care of the patient.
Only drink it twice, not 3 times.
Okay.
If you drink it 3 times, then side effects may include itchiness of the rectum, death, and many more. So just don't.
You are the best.
Yay!
Bye bye,
Yo,
Alfredo.
Barney's a dinosaur.
Wait, is this
Your
not Alfredo?
imagination.
Wait, dude, there is 6 patients.
Oh, we gotta take a photo of him now. Oh wait, never mind.
Dude, there is 6 patients right now. Why aren't we saving them?
Because I don't know. Because they're gay.
What are you, homophobic?
Oh, there for you.
Side effects may include itchiness of the rectum. Should I buy another taser?
I don't know, bro. Okay.
The shop closes in 6 seconds, so I gotta decide now if I want to buy another taser. Okay, I bought another taser.
Did you pick the house where we're going, Trevor?
Why is there a fire in room 5?
Go clean it up. Go clean it up.
Like, you never get to teach you that.
I'm about to die. I'm at 29% sanity, dude.
I'm at 84.
What the frick is this guy doing? Poison, you're feeding me poisson. Poisson, you're feeding me poisson.
What if Charlie Kirk was actually Benjamin Netanyahu's long-lost cousin?
She jumped and she was running and she had to go.
Charlie Kirky.
Get the ball. She had to run past her. Like,
Oh, Charlie Kirky. I love you.
By the way, you know how me and my online friends were gonna make a Roblox game?
Yeah.
Well, we were originally gonna cancel it because of Roblox's stupid little update, but we did not cancel it. It's still being developed.
I got a taser. I got a taser.
Are you kidding me? Like, are you actually kidding me?
What?
I just fixed I just fixed a patient, and now there's gonna be another patient in the same room.
No, this guy's a visitor. This guy's a visitor. He'll leave when the patient in here leaves.
Are you
Why
crying?
is there no patient in here? Why isn't there a patient here?
Wait, it's a glitch. It's a glitch.
I'm gonna tase him, and then he's gonna become a patient.
Watch the patient come in here.
Poisson, you're feeding me poisson. Do I tase this guy? Do I tase this guy?
No, don't.
Well, once I move our drink, because I don't know if it's
Poisson, you're feeding me poisson.
Alright, don't look at me, I'm changing.
Ew. Why is he like that? Finally, Patricia's gone.
Patricia the Belippa.
Alexa, how long is vodka last in a fridge?
Dude, there is books.
things typically last 3 to 4 days in the
Okay, I don't care. Get out! Sorry, Walter. I had to talk to my brother very angrily.
Okay.
This photo looks weird. Okay, 4. Okay, room 7. Alright. Wait, hold up. Oh yeah, room 7. Oh, wait, room 7. Dude, what the heck is my brain doing? Okay, so,
I don't know.
Okay, now I get what to do in this room. In the room where you... Hey. What the... Heart scan. Alright, now what? Oh.
I bought another taser.
Oh, yeah. I'm also sorry if you hear, my dad and my brother, they have a card, a sports cards.
Oh, okay. Yo, what is Raphael doing here?
What the?
What? Did you
The
kill
blue
him?
guy.
Why did you take that guy?
Because he was evil. He tried to bite me.
This guy's also evil. But, just close the shutter. I only have a taser.
Why'd you stab her?
I just tased her, dude.
Why'd you
Relax.
stab her?
I tased her.
Why'd you
I
stab
didn't
her?
stab her. I tased her.
You stabbed her.
No, I tased her.
You stabbed her.
Now I need to get another taser.
Oh, it's you.
You. Like it's magnetic. You.
Dude, TMNT Giant Play-Doh Surprise Egg Opening Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle compilation.
Adolescent Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Wait, who's in room 6? No one! Who are you checking?
This is the stomach aches. This is the stomach.
Then I told you that I never would.
Told you the same. Even when I knew I never could. Now that I can't find nobody else as good as you, I need you to stay. You're gay.
Why did Avery leave?
I don't know.
Why'd you close that?
Get out.
Wait, hold up.
Room 2. I'll get room 2. You get room 6. You get room 6. Get room 6.
What the heck?
Okay, get the visitors that fainted now. Get the visitors that fainted now.
Dude, 2 of them just fainted.
Okay, why the frick is there a fire? Get the fire. You get the fire.
Where's this fire extinguisher?
It's right there. It's in
Okay, room 4. Room 4.
Oh, frick. We are so cooked right now.
Why do rooms get randomly? Oh, get on fire. Hello?
I don't know.
Walter? Oh.
Somebody brought matches for some reason.
And how have I recorded for 45 minutes already? Even though it felt like 15 minutes. Hey, what do you need? yellow spoon, and what else? Eye drops. Are you gonna take care of the patient in room 8?
It's about to die! They had a freaking x-ray that needed to be freaking done!
Darn.
Stupid! The x-ray takes 80 seconds!
Dude, the developer who made this game, they should patch this. Alright, do you wanna quit?
Yeah.
Alright, bye YouTube.